Text, Liberty Warehouse. A blonde woman walks out onto a balcony overlooking Durham, North Carolina. She stands at the corner point of the balcony. Durham Central Park. A farmer's market is taking place. A row of fresh produce in boxes and bags. The woman picks up a bouquet of flowers and smells them. She walks out of the Durham farmer's market carrying the flowers. She walks into the entrance of Liberty Warehouse Apartments. The lobby has large decorative lights hanging from the ceiling. A man walks past with a puppy on a leash. A common area with a kitchen and sitting area. A sign that says Liberty Warehouse Durham. She rides a stationary bike while a workout video plays on a TV. She walks out of a gym with a towel over her shoulder. A brunette woman walks up to a pool in a bikini. She goes underwater. The woman from the gym walks down a hallway. She hugs a man who's at an outdoor sitting area. A blonde woman walks along an outdoor path. She sits down next to another woman who's on a patio sofa. A man moves a ladder down a wall with a mural on it. He paints on the wall. A WeWork building. Two women walk on a sidewalk past a bull sculpture. They walk past urban axes. They walk past Dame's Chicken and Waffles. They drink coffee at Foster Street Coffee. They leave a building and walk past a food hall. They walk into the lobby of Liberty Warehouse Apartments. A man rides a bike along a street. A living room with windowed walls. A bathroom with a shower. A pool from above. A furnished living room. The man from the bike walks through an apartment's front door. He fills a glass with water. He carries 2 glasses of water towards a balcony. Text, Liberty Warehouse Urban Apartment Living. DCP. LiveLibertyWarehouse.com